What's up guys, Mr. and Mrs. Stang back at you with another video. It's just me today, I'm Bobby, and today's video will be installing some Raxiom sequential brake lights. The turn signals on these cars already come with a sequential turn signal, but this kit will require your car to have like a brake light sequential thing, so both of the lights will go and then it'll also do it when you lock and unlock the car, and when you put your hazards on too. So I thought it was a cool little feature, something fun to throw in like 30 minutes, and that's it. So I'll show you guys how to do that, and let's do it. So what I did first was I unscrewed 2 of these bolts on each side, so a total of 4. They look like this. Just unscrewed them, and then there's like one more right here. It's like one of those plastic ones that you have to kind of pry out. I didn't have the right tool, so I just used a wire cutter, but don't close it all the way. And then you just can remove your liner right here, and then that's where your plug is, right there. You just unplug that, and you plug in a new one. So I'm going to do that on both sides, and then we're all done. I'll put everything back together. Alright, and just like that, guys, it's literally a plug and play system. So I just plugged it right on in on the female to the male and the male to the female, and that was it. So literally just a quick plug and play. Let's do the right side now, which should be a little bit more difficult. So if you have a shaker car, which we do unfortunately, but I mean, I love the speaker, but to get to the right side tail light, you will have to remove your speaker. So that's this one big bolt. This one big bolt that was right here. And you got like 3, it looks like, on the bottom here, which I started already. So I'll take this out, and then I'll show you what we got underneath. Alright, so when I took off that bracket there, looks like I'll have to remove a couple of these bolts too, so bear with me. I'll take these out now, and we should be good to move this after that. Alright, I would say just be careful before you move this. There's probably some cables connecting it behind there, so I'll just remove this gently. Okay. Same thing for this side. You're gonna have to remove that little rubber screw. Yeah, once you remove your liner, you can see the cable for it right there. It's a little dark, but the plug is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that and plug our new one in. So you know, when you guys go to unplug these, this is the one that Raxiom gave us, but it's literally identical to the one that you have in your factory. So when you remove them, you want to make sure you push on this little tab. It's like to lock in your plug. You don't want to just try and yank it out. You want to make sure you're pressing on that little tab right there. I got our new harness plugged in, so we should be good to go now. Let's see. Oh, sick. Yes, I love that. Oh, okay, cool. Well, I got the sequentials going, and I must say, it is nice. Got the hazards going, yeah, looks nice and good. But that'll be pretty much it. Alright guys, so that will do it for our taillight sequential harness that we got for the S550 Mustang. I got one for the S197 as well. We'll probably put that in a different video. I got too much stuff in there right now, but that's it for that. Love it. I'm gonna bolt up the car, make sure everything's back to normal, and that'll be it. Let me know if you guys like the sequentials. I like them a lot, but we want to know what you guys think too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.